Alright guys, so I'll be in Orlando, Florida in about 24 hours. So I gotta start packing, but also I wanna talk about some new additions that I wanna bring to the channel. So I'm going to a work event on Monday, which gives me, obviously the weekend, 2 extra days to kind of explore, relax, and get some content recorded. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm hopefully gonna be able to find some new foods, find some new attractions to kind of check out. So yeah, I'm very excited for this weekend. Also, don't forget, we have our Cozy Shark mascot right here. Get yourself a Cozy Shark shirt if you want, or a CozyEXP shirt. We have a bunch of different shirt designs that I design myself. Feel free to grab a shirt if you like, but obviously just your viewership support is more than enough. So I know we have 2 big main types of content on the channel, which is obviously food reviews, and travel vlogs, which consists of like the cruises, the hotel reviews. But I kind of wanted to bring something a little bit more, and I don't mean this in like a soulless type of way, like I'm soulless, but I wanted to bring more of my personality into the channel, letting you guys just kind of know who I am, you know, what I like. Obviously I love food, and sometimes you see me geek out on other things, especially my Godzilla review, which I didn't even expect to get even remotely over like 200 views, but to my surprise, that got some views. But things like that, stuff that I nerd out about, I geek out about, really what I'm talking about is just like nerd culture in general. So I was thinking of starting something new and different for the channel. I don't know if it's gonna be structured or not, or if we're just gonna wing it and do it live, or I just have 3 topics to discuss for that day. Because I don't wanna be static all the time, doing the same stuff over and over again. For myself, I have to freshen things up. Because as you see before, I didn't used to do that many shorts, but now I'm doing a ton of shorts. And I like them. I like doing shorts. I think it's quicker, faster, and easier for me to like plan what I'm going to do. Because then I'm not having to like, you know, crash all this content. It's just one long form video. But yeah, that's how I feel about that. And again, let me know if you guys feel differently but I think of you guys as my friends, my audience, you know, you're here for a reason. So I feel like it'll be nice to get to know one another in a way. Fun fact, this bag has been with me for 3 years now. I've used it on and off. Recently, I've used it more because honestly, my vlogging setup has just become my phone now. I still use this really nice camera for vlogs. I'm gonna use it for my cruise, which we're going on a cruise in exactly 1 week, which is crazy to think about. In exactly 1 week, I'll be on a cruise. But yeah, really, I've been using the phone because my content kind of runs into the night, and my phone does just a way better job like getting footage at night than this camera does. Because this camera, although it can look good in a night setting, it needs proper lighting. And it's the Sony ZV-E10, which, you know, is a great camera by all means. But without a light source, this camera does not do well at night. So I've opted to really just carry this around. It's a very small unit. I can wear it around my waist or on my chest. And it fits my phone in here. It fits my wallet. It fits my microphones, which is very nice. And it's very compact. Because before, this is what I used to carry. And I still do carry it, especially on bigger trips. So yeah, when I am on my cruise, I'm gonna be hauling this bad boy around. This is a really great camera bag, Peak design. Fantastic. A lot of space in here. But as of like my quick trips and also vlogging around theme parks, I don't want to have to carry this thing around anymore. Things have been just inching and moving towards a smaller utility kit. Really, my phone is such a great camera to begin with. This is all I need. So yeah, I got my shirts rolled. Now I need to pack everything else. So yeah, guys, really my wardrobe has become Fabletics or Uniqlo. And the reason why I love these pants is because both of them, they come with like, you know, they're elastic and they come with strings inside, both of these brands. And so really it just fits form and tightly, you know, on your waist. And if it's too loose, you just tighten it up. But really they're very comfortable, lightweight, and you don't have to worry about belts, or you don't have to worry about buttoning and zipping. And first and foremost, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me and my opinion, just letting you guys know. Uniqlo mostly have really great quality of pants. Fabletics is a hit or miss. because these things shrink, so you have to be very careful what size you get. I had to size up in order to get the right fit, but so be wary of that. So yeah guys, just to round out this quick video while I'm finishing my packing, I'm probably gonna start the video this weekend, see how it goes, if you guys like it or not. So yeah guys, let me know if my idea sounds good to you guys. Video. The wife is home. The wife is home.
The wife is home.
Baby, I'm telling them I kind of want to start talking about other things on the... My clothes! I was telling them that I kind of want to start talking about like, just kind of let them into like more personality on the channel. Meaning like, just talk about more nerdy stuff.
He's a
that I
total
like.
nerd.
I am. I was telling them I don't want to feel stagnant and kind of, you know, we are a travel and food channel, but also I kind of want to, you know, just show more than just that. But yeah, I'm gonna start putting everything in my luggage and backpack. But yeah, guys, that's kind of just what I wanted to talk about. So let me know what you guys think, if it's a good idea or if you guys are excited for it. Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next Cozy Experience. Peace.